how to transfer Ton from Binance to Tonkeeper wallet. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to your Tonkeeper wallet, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the receive button on the main screen of our wallet right here. Once inside, you can then go ahead and see your address where you can go ahead and receive Ton coins with. You can just go ahead and click on copy, and now we want to open up our Binance. Once inside Binance, go ahead and click on the wallets at the bottom of your screen. From here, all you have to do is to click on the withdraw button. Click on withdraw, and from here you then have to select Toncoin. Click on send via crypto network, and all you have to do is to paste the address of our Tonkeeper wallet. Go ahead and type the amount that you want to withdraw, and you should be good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.